Hey, Cap, what do you think the next challenge is gonna be?
I don't know, but hopefully it's nothing too hard, right?
Yeah, it would suck if it was something hard, like going up and slaying a dragon or something.
Yeah, like in a tower, like Shrek. I'm green. I could be Shrek. You could be my donkey.
Hey, I'm not Donkey, you're the donkey.
Why would I be the donkey? I'm green. I'm Shrek.
You look more donkey-shaped.
But you're fat.
Okay, dude, that's mean.
Yeah, what are you guys talking about? Go away, Crystal, or whatever the hell your name was. This is not about you. Not about you. Oh, okay. She's such a frickin' pushover.
I know, right, dude? It's almost sad.
Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk.
What is it, dude?
I've been reviewing the footage for the other episodes, and, he's back.
Wait, the guy from Object Show Host Training School?
That's not what it's called, but yeah, him. I have an idea for a challenge. Also, my burger is missing.
What does your burger have to do with God King?
I don't think his name is God King anymore. I don't know. Let's just get to the intro.
Think I'll have one. Paid a price. Think I'll have one more. You're feeling alright. Think I'll have one. Having a good time. I think I'll have one. It's going gone. Think I'll have one more. That didn't last long. Think I'll have one. I can't help myself. I don't see the harm in having just one more.
Uh-oh, guys. I can't find my burger. Looks like you guys are gonna have... Actually, no. Cue the challenge explanation animation. The challenge explanation animation. You know what? I'm just gonna play it. Your team will soon be faced with a very tall tower. This tower is, like, extremely tall. You and your team will be forced to get to the burger on top of the tower. You will have to climb up the side of the tower to do this. And yes, it will take a long time. Once you reach the top of the tower and the rest of your team does, you will win, and the people at the very bottom will lose. Simple enough? Do they really expect us to climb to a giant tower just to get a burger? I don't know. It seems a little far-fetched, don't you think? Yeah, it does seem a little far-fetched. Say, what are you a cup of? Like coffee, tea, water, whatever. Oh, I don't have anything in me. Well, looks like we're both basic buddies then. Yeah, pretty basic. Yeah. Hey, what do you say we become friends? You seem like a nice, chill person. Thanks, I try my best. Sure.
Well, I guess let's just go do the challenge. Yeah, we better get to work on that.
Hark, for I know the outcome, and it will end.
Will you shut up about the outcome already? You've been talking about it so much, it's driving me crazy.
Okay, that was weird. Yeah, I think he's going a little crazy. Insane in the membrane, if you ask me.
Display case is possessed. He needs to be cleansed.
What the hell does that mean?
You will soon see it how I do. Now we must do the challenge.
She's just kind of annoying, don't you think? She seems like an egoist. Yeah, she's always talking about the outcome and her people and stuff, and how her people will be better than ours in the future or something. Well, that's a little weird. Let's go, dude. Yeah.
Whoa, this is cool. I think falling from that would be pretty dangerous, don't you think? Oh, Smoke Alarm, you're always so cautious. It's so cool. Thanks, Candy. I disagree. It gets annoying after a little while. What? Why are you staring at me like that? Whoa, guys, this is so sick.
I know, right? It's like the tower from Shrek.
Ah, except there's a burger on there.
Well, how are we gonna climb it? Doesn't look very easy.
Well, maybe I could use spine and knife like ice picks?
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. How would the others get up, though?
Well, B-17 is named after a fighter jet, so I think he can just fly up there.
Makes sense to me.
That's stupid. Hart can probably manage. Star, they can probably fly, right? And, well, I think Display Case will also manage. And, Amethyst, I really don't want to say this, but they can probably make it up too. Ugh, compliments.
Yeah, dude, they suck. How are we even gonna get up there?
I don't know. Hopefully very cleanly and with no mess at all. That would be freaking nice. What's with you and your obsession with cleanliness? I mean, I kinda dig it, cause I'm obsessed with safeness and, I don't know, safeness is pretty close to cleanliness. Well, I don't know, I just don't want things to be dirty. I'm a germaphobe. It scares me. Oh yeah, cause germs fester on like dirty things, right? Yeah, pretty much. But in all seriousness, how are we gonna get up there? Don't worry guys, I have an idea. Golly Bob howdy, just start the challenge already. Please and thank you. Alright boys, let's get to climbing. Alright, we did it. Wait, there's no burger up here. There's no burger up here. It's bull.
Ah, there isn't a burger up here.
Oh gosh, they already have 4 members safe. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Well, we're gonna have to use that plan that you had. Oh, right. Let's ask B-17? You've gotta be kidding me. Well, I don't know. It's the best idea that I could come up with. Hey, B-17? Oh, hey, Flashlight. What's up? Can you help our team out? We kinda can't climb that well. Well, I really wish I could, but I can't. It's like challenge rules or something. I can't. Oh, well, thanks for responding. Yeah, you're welcome. If you were on my team, I would say yes. Okay. Yeah, sorry, bro. Well, guess we'll lose again. Well, hold on. My team doesn't really care, so I could try. You will? Thank you. No problemo. So what'd he say? He said he'll help. Okay, let's go. Thank you, B-17. You're welcome, Shapey. Time to climb this.
I'm murdered.
Wait a minute, Mudbrick. Why are you over here? Aren't you on the other team?
Oh, yeah, guess I am. Sorry about the confusion. I get a little stuck sometimes. I'm a little clogged. Goodbye.
Something totally fishy is going on here. I don't know why there wouldn't be a burger up here.
Infinity and beyond.
What the? How are you losers getting up here so fast? I don't want to say. Oh no, tell me. Why are you losers getting up here so fast? Well,
Flashlight, don't tell them.
okay. Sorry, I can't tell you. Wimp.
Hey, do you have a recovery center thing?
Yeah?
What if we get the recovery center up there? I kill both of you, and then you guys recover up there.
That's not a bad idea, actually.
Thank you. I can have some moments of clarity. But, let's do it.
Whatever, dude. Alright, little duck guy, I'm gonna throw you now. You ready? Yeah, I guess so. Just don't throw me too hard. Oh, hey. It's not actually that bad.
2 hours later.
Jeez, what's taking Cup so long? I'm about to come up. Wow, Cup, I'm surprised you didn't shatter. Oh, that's a weird thing to say. Well, it looks like we win.
Think again, losers. That's right, we made it up. And it was all thanks to our friend, the super ultimate smart recovery center of coolness, 30,000.
I'm an unbiased participant. They used me against my will.
B-17, how'd you get up here so fast? I thought you were throwing us. What, B-17, you were helping the other team? She's a liar. Why'd you lie about something like that, bro? It's so stupid anyway. But I'm not lying! So what if you weren't? Because Team Air Conditioners... Wait, where's the thing?
Air conditioners in the woods.
Oh, there it is. Team Air Conditioners won. Also, you're staying up here. Yeah, sorry to break it to you. We can't have you coming down for legal reasons, and if you tried jumping, you would break your back, and climbing down is not permitted because it would get your team immediately put up for elimination. So, yeah, you're staying up here.
Well, how are you gonna give us the challenge explanation animations? And, you know, the thing. Tell us the challenges and tell us what to do and who's eliminated and stuff. You know?
Me and Asterisk can teleport. That's how we got up here so fast.
Oh, right. Oops.
For the sake of time reasons, we, like minus sign and plus sign, will not be showing the voting process. Just the elimination ceremony.
5 minutes later.
Alright everybody, the votes are cast, and the first two people safe with 0 votes are Apple and Pumpkin. Like Fruit Gang stick together so whoosh! What you just said was stupid. No, it wasn't. It was cool. You're acting like my dad at that disco. Shushy. Anyways. Cup. 1 vote. Dot. 1 vote. We're now moving into the 2-vote territory. Shapey. 2 votes. I voted myself. I don't care. We've now entered the 3-vote territory. Smoke Alarm. 3 votes. Melon. 3 votes. And the final person safe is Candy with only 3 votes, meaning Tissues is eliminated with 4 votes. That was getting a little stressful, wasn't it? Goodbye, Tissues. Wait, I'm eliminated? Yeah, sorry. It was nice knowing you, Tissues. Hopefully I'll see you after the show ends. Goodbye. Yeah, dude, bye. You were kinda cool, I guess.